You can begin typing while chilling and earn up to $100 every single day. If you're not big on manually typing, you can do copy and pasting and it will work just as great as typing. Today's websites are going to be completely free, so you're not going to have to pay for anything at all, so don't even worry. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First step is to ready your device and then open up or look up typingtest.com, and it is on this website where you can take a typing test to see how fast you are typing. Check your typing skills in a minute, type away to join over 150 million test takers. Now we're going to choose 1 minute and medium text from the options, and as you can see there are many, but that's what we're going to choose for the typing test that we're going to take right now. Click on Start Test, and then you're going to be taken to here wherein you're going to see basically the text that you're going to be typing, and as soon as you begin to type, the timer will also start, and then it's going to record how much you can type in a minute and also how accurate what your typing is and all that. And basically, as soon as you finish typing or you complete the typing test, you're going to see the results, and this is how it would look like. So really everything that you can possibly want to know about your typing skills and all that. And keep in mind that this record is going to play a crucial part or role further into our video today, so make sure that you keep this. Now, not only does this website allow you to take a typing test and test your typing skills, but this website also offers classes and typing courses to improve or develop your typing skills or anything in that area. And we do suggest that you take these courses to improve because you are going to need it, and sometimes having these records of being able to take these typing classes help a lot when it comes to applying for jobs that will ask you to type or do any job that will require that skill. So it won't hurt to take a look and explore a bit, so make sure that you look and maybe try out the courses. And again, we highly suggest that you do because this is also going to play a huge role in the two websites that we're going to be sharing with you in today's video. First website is called transcribeme.com, and we've talked about this before, but it's been so long. Also, there has been an upgrade in terms of payment and the clients and the whole website itself, so you're gonna love it even more this time. But basically, transcription jobs, get paid from working from home. Join the Transcribe Me professional crowd and start working on projects and making money. Monetize your downtime. When you become a Transcribe Me crowd professional, you will have access to the following. First, highest pay. We have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings is at $2,200. And the average monthly earnings are at $250. We also offer advancement opportunities for our special teams that include medical and specialty styles, which pay at even higher rates. You can grow and learn. We believe in promotion from within. Our transcriptionists enjoy their work and have career advancement opportunities. Gain insight into various industries and boost your resume for any job market. Develop your skills and grow into higher paying projects and positions. There's expert training. We're a leading work from home employer thanks to our intuitive platform, regular payouts, and steady work stream. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Joining doesn't cost a penny. All you need to get started is reliable internet and a computer. And lastly, it's flexible. Work from the comfort of your own home wherever you want and how much you want. Transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. When one clip is complete, our system sends another to transcribe. There is no limit to how many can be processed consecutively. Click on Get Started right here and fill up all that is being asked, and then hit on Create Profile. Make sure that you verify your email address and then wait until they send you an email confirming the acceptance of your application. Start typing and start earning. It's that easy, so make sure that you try this website out. Next website, and the last for today, is called rev.com. Again, a lot of brand new upgrades that you're gonna love, but basically earn money with transcription jobs from home. Want to enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere? Work from home as a transcriptionist with Rev. Freelancers at Rev are detail-oriented people who follow Rev's styling rules to accurately type and correct draft transcripts. And to get started, you're going to need strong English skills, which you're not going to need, obviously, a computer, which you will have, and an internet connection, which we already told you that you will need. Then you're going to get paid weekly. It's going to be sent via PayPal. The average earnings per month is $245, and the top monthly earnings is at $1,495. So that's a lot. Start working from home in 3 easy steps. Sign up and get approved to transcribe. You're going to take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev's styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. Choose from available transcription jobs. You will find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. You can select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you would like. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. You're going to get paid weekly via PayPal. As a transcriptionist, you're going to get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. Benefits of working with Rev: you can decide what you want to work on. You can pick from a variety of lectures, interviews, podcasts, and more to transcribe. You're going to get paid weekly. You can receive weekly payouts via PayPal once again for all the work completed. Rev is on time and it is dependable. You can choose your own schedule. You can work as much or as little as you want, whenever and wherever you want. And all you need is a computer and an internet connection. And that's just the very few great things about Rev. And the rest, you're going to find out as soon as you apply. The pay has changed about 10 times more compared to before. So make sure that you try this website out and try both websites out. And that's the only way you're going to get the best results. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.